After painting snow in all kinds of ways and situations, I find something meaningful in saying farewell to winter, not with words, but by observing and painting the melting water. What can this face teach me about the cycle of the seasons? There was a time I tried to control the landscape, to measure, to plan, to capture every detail. But meltwater doesn't wait. It changes every second. You can't copy it. You have to feel it. To paint it, I have to let go. Not follow a map, but follow the flow, and trust the feeling will lead the way. The sound of water fills me with a kind of restless energy. It stirs something in both body and mind, and I notice how it influences my painting. It's beautiful, but also challenging. I enjoy how this subject constantly changes with the shifting light. More than any other landscape, it pushes me to shape my own story and my own composition. Today, my daughter and I are painting in the same area a little bit lower in the valley. The light is bright and the water cold and fast. We are painting by the riverbank at the meeting point of two rivers, with each chosen a different subject. Once again, I'm focusing on the theme of wild rushing water flowing over rocks, a motif I keep returning to. I feel drawn to the dappled light and the moss-covered rocks in the shade. They hold a quiet mystery that invites me to look closer. Meanwhile, my daughter has turned her attention to an old bridge that spans the main river in the valley. I work in oil paint and my daughter in watercolour. We both look, think and paint in our own ways. As the water flows by, I build up the paint and glance over at my daughter's watercolor painting taking shape. Scenes from John Singer Sargent's watercolors come to mind. His many depictions of alpine mountain streams, so spontaneous and full of energy, painted with a sense of ease and life. While I'm working, a local friend and artist, Frida van Voorst, drops by for a short chat. I try to catch the feeling of energy and movement. The rocks reflect the sun in some spots, but the whole scene is mainly in shadow. The shapes are hard and massive, but when painting in the water, I'm working with soft transitions to emphasize the water flow. I look, I listen, try to understand. This flowing water leads us down through the valley, where countless streams merge and become one, in the deepest lake of Italy, Lake Como. Again, I don't try to control it, I just follow the rhythm until the end. In the next video we'll explore the work of Ferdinand Hodler, whose way of seeing nature shaped a new language of rhythm and structure. And not long after we'll follow the current further into the world of John Singer Sargent, master of light, water and movement. If this journey along the river spoke to you, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel, so the current can carry you along to the next one.